So you just left the open house, now what? Hopefully we had a chance to speak, but sometimes these open houses can get pretty busy. Whether you looked at a couple houses a day or 25, keeping track of them can be pretty hard. Which one cost that much? Which one had the bay window? Which one had the dual vanity? Having an agent can help you keep track of that. An agent can help you keep track of your likes and dislikes to help you narrow down the field and find the perfect home for you. An agent can show you homes that aren't open, allowing you to be in there privately and ask a whole bunch of questions from your agent. That way they can do the research and get back to you with exactly everything that you need to know. Some agents like me have tons of access to properties that are off market, giving you an upper hand when it comes to seeing the home, putting in an offer, and getting it accepted. Having a buyer's agent will help you get the best deal possible. Remember, listing agents already have a relationship with the seller, and their main fiduciary duty is to get them the most money possible. Here are a few questions to ask an agent when you're interviewing them. 1. How many future homeowners are they working with? Me, I like to keep it to 3. Any more than that and I find myself getting really busy, so limiting it to 3 allows me to focus on those people and make sure that I find them exactly what they want. 2. Can you get me approved given my situation? All of our situations are different. That's why we have a list of preferred lenders that we work with. Depending on what situation you're currently in, we'll find the right one for you. And remember, getting pre-approved will help you get into the home of your dreams. 3, do they know the listing agent? I might not, but someone on my team does. Because we do a lot of business here in San Diego, we've worked with a lot of the agents around town. That gives us a leg up in negotiating because we already have an established relationship with them, and we can get to the bottom of what the seller's motivations are, helping you get your offer accepted. So pick up the phone and give me a call or text, and let's get you started on the path to your new home.